Hopefully you are good in health. Today we are going to study unit number 1 of our English course book. Before starting the lesson, let's see our learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand the story and moral, know the pronunciation and meanings of difficult words. Now I am gonna ask you some easy questions. What do you see here? Yes, it's a hen. What does it give us? Yes, eggs, which we eat boiled and fried both. What does come out of a hen's egg? Yes, chicken. Dear students, is it possible that chickens come out of boiled eggs? So let's find out the answer of this question in our today's lesson. It's unit number 1 of our English course book by the name Amin and the Eggs. There are 3 characters in this lesson: Amin, merchant and a judge. Let's start reading. You have to listen it carefully. Once upon a time, there was a man called Amin. He lost all his crops in a drought. Amin decided to look for work in another village, and off he went on his donkey. Before he left, he bought a dozen hard-boiled eggs from a merchant and promised to pay him later. 7 years later, Amin returned to his village. He came on a fine black horse. Behind him was a camel carrying bags full of gold and silver coins. Amin was a rich man now. The news soon spread through the village. Soon the merchant who had given him the dozen boiled eggs, knocking at Amin's door. "Pay back the debt you owe me," he said. "Give me 500 silver coins for the eggs you bought." Amin refused to pay such a large sum. So the merchant took his complaint to the judge. The merchant appeared in court, but there was no sign of Amin. The judge waited and waited. Suddenly, Amin rushed in out of breath. At once the merchant said, "My lord, 7 years ago, this man took 12 eggs from me. 12 eggs would have become 12 chickens. These chickens would have become hens and cocks. The hens would have laid more eggs. The eggs would have hatched into chickens. After 7 years, I would have had a large flock of birds. Now Amin must pay me 500 silver coins for all the birds I have lost." "You are right," agreed the judge. He turned to Amin with an angry look and said, "What do you have to say? And by the way, why are you late?" Amin said, "My lord, I had a plate of boiled beans in the house. Before coming here, I planted them in the garden so that I will have a good crop next year." "Fool!" exclaimed the judge. "How can boiled beans grow into anything?" Amin replied, "Yes, indeed, my lord. And how can boiled eggs hatch into chickens?" And that's how Amin won his case, and he proved that chickens cannot come out of boiled eggs. So students, how was the story? I hope you have enjoyed. Let's summarize this story. Amin left his village because of drought. Before he left, he bought hard-boiled eggs for eating from a merchant. Later, Amin returned to his village as a rich man. The merchant was greedy, so he asked 500 coins for the boiled eggs. Amin proved him wrong by his intelligence and won the case. So, here we have the moral of the lesson. An intelligent person resolves any dispute with wise actions, like Amin. Here we have words meaning of unit number 1. Drought means a long period of time when there is no rain. Debt, money that you have borrowed and have to pay back. Out of breath, breathing with difficulty. My lord, a phrase you use to address a judge. So, this is your home task. Do read unit number 1, write words meaning and solve the exercise of page number 13. So, it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Thank you.